This is a quick bit about the Cooler Master Cooling X. I found the source of the noise when it is, or should be, mostly at idle, just watching YouTube, couple Chrome tabs open. But I'm not sure that I'm hearing the pump or the fans because there's almost nothing coming from the fans that are tucked inside right next to this radiator. But if I put this camera down next to the power supply unit, that seems to be where all the noise is coming from. So great job on the build of this. The cooling using these side panels as radiators, there's actually water that circulates through it on both sides. But unfortunately, due to this and some other issues, I'm going to have to send this back because that noise, even at arm's length, is noticeable the entire time the machine is on.